Hi boys and girls, we are back for some more Blue Book to practice working on sounding out words together. First of all, with this new week, we have some new sounds that we're going to be listening for, and I wrote them down here on our whiteboard. These are called L blends, and they're called that because, as you can see, there's a letter and then there's an L that comes after that letter, and these blends are found at the beginning of words. So I'm going to go through each one. We're going to read these together. This first one is full. Say that with me. Full. Next is goal. Goal. Then we have CL. Coal. Coal, like in clock. BL. Bull. Bull, as in blue. SL. Soul. Soul, as in slip. And PL is pull. Pull, as in play. We're going to be working with a lot of these sounds today in our Blue Book. So listen very carefully for those two sounds that blend together, okay? First, rhyming words. This whole week, I'm going to give you two words, and if they rhyme, give me a thumbs up. If they don't rhyme, thumbs down. You know how to do this. We've done this a lot. Remember that rhyming words stay the same at the end. We're only changing the beginning sound to make rhyming words, okay? So first, flip, clip. Show me those thumbs. Yes, good job. They rhyme. Plan, plane. Say the words. Show me your thumbs. Wah, wah. They don't rhyme. They do not have the same ending sounds. Glad, plaid. Yes, ding, ding, ding. They rhyme. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Slow, slime. Show me your thumbs. No, they do not rhyme. Good job. Flap, slap. Don't do that. Yes, they rhyme. Bless, slush. Nope, they don't rhyme. Flash, plug. Nope, they don't rhyme either. Flop, plop. Do they rhyme? Yes, they do. They both end with op. Good job. Click, slick. Do they rhyme? Yes, they both end with ick. Class, glass. Yes, those words rhyme too. Good job. All right, beginning sounds. This is where we're going to hear some of those L blends, so listen very carefully. Flag, float. Full, full, full. FL. Glad, glance. Goal, goal, goal. GL. Place, plum. Pull, pull, pull. PL. Sleep, slow. Soul, soul, soul. SL. Class, clock. Coal, coal, coal. CL. Blue, black. Bull, bull, bull. BL. Good job, everybody. You were really listening closely there, I can tell. Even though I can't see through the screen, I know that you guys are working hard at this. All right, get your choppers out. We're going to actually blend some words on our arm today with those same beginning L blends. Listen closely for those. Flip. ack, stack, black, black, sleep, sleep, lamb, clam, lit, flit, like a little butterfly flits around. All right, ending sounds, boys and girls. You're pretty good at this one. Same basic, just listen for that ending sound. We're going to punch out that sound we hear at the end of the word. Storm, M, hunt, T, Blake, K, drive, V, until, O, L, zigzag, G, G, loose, S. All right, good job. Now we're going to chop up words. I'm going to give you the whole word. Again, you're going to listen for that L blend at the beginning, and we're going to chop up those sounds each one at a time, okay? First word is slime. 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 Did you hear that SL at the beginning? Good job. Plain. 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 Cliff. 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 Slow. 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 Glad. 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 Flute. 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 Good job. Now we're going to take an ending chunk and we're going to add one of our SL blends to the beginning to make a new word. First is air. Add gull. Glare. Ear. Add coal. Clear. Own. Add bull. Blown. Ease. Add pull. Please. Ite. Add slight. All right, good job. Now we're going to take away some of those beginning blends and just leave that ending chunk. Cloak. Take away coal. Oak. Good job. These are the tricky ones. Flex. Take away full. X. Good job. Gloom. Take away goal. Sleeve. Take away soul. Eve. Blank. Take away bowl. Ank. All right, good job. Sorry, I keep itching my nose, everybody. My allergies are getting to me today. But I gotta have the window open. I need some fresh air in here. All right, now we're going to change the beginning sound to make some new words. Here we go. Say. Change S to pull. Play. Cue. Change K to bull. Blue. No. Change N to goal. Glow. Deep. Change D to sleep. I almost gave it away there. Rake. Change to full. Flake. Good job, everybody. One more time. These are our L blends. Read those with me one more time. Full, goal, coal, bull, soul, pull. Awesome work today, everybody. We'll be back in a couple of days to practice with those again. Have a great day.